I love how the unit just sits on my head. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Today we are back with another wig install, and LUVME here sent us this lovely unit. This is their new 4C Kinky Edges unit. I love the fact that they're creating these edges on our wigs, because for some of us this is more realistic than what it used to be. I am super excited to try this out. I really love how it turned out, and I'm super excited to share how I got to this point with you guys. So go ahead and check out the video. If you like it, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. So the wig we're working with is their 12-inch Kinky Edges 5x5 Jerry Curls closure wig. I did bleach the knots on this unit, but I will put a video on the side of how the wig looked straight out the box, how it came. But this is it. It's already plucked, fully customized, has the strap attached to it already. This is their Jerry Curls 12-inch Kinky Curly Edges, and I love it. It is super pretty. As you can see, it has the kinky curly edges. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. So the first thing I'm about to do is to make some baby hair on my natural hair. I will be using the olive oil edge control. These baby hairs are just going to act as edges for a wig. It is a 5x5 unit. It typically stops right here. So I'm just going to make some baby hairs on my natural hair to cover the rest of the edges. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put a wig cap over this. It is a glueless unit. It is a 5x5 closure unit. This one is 12 inches long. This is also their Jerry Curls unit. This is it. Let's go ahead and put this on. Just adjusting the strap a little bit. It is a glueless unit, so having the adjustable band is very necessary, because it allows the wig to grip your head a little bit better, since you won't be applying glue to it. It also comes with the comb in the back and 2 in the sides, which we don't always use. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So I'm going to show you the strap in the back, because normally when you put your wig on, you got to try to find the strap if you don't put it on backwards. Well, let me show you the band in the back, what it looks like. So as you can see, it just sits right there, and it's definitely super comfortable, and it's not moving. So this is what it's looking like now that I put the wig on. The hairline is giving us a really natural kinky edge look, and you can see the difference already. Now what I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off, then finish up our wig. Again, this is a glueless unit. It is super easy to install, very convenient and beginner friendly. This is it. What I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off, and pretty much that is it for the unit. This is what it looks like in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I'm just using my edge brush to brush some of the hair forward. Then I'm gonna cut that down with the scissor to give it a more realistic, natural look. I'm gonna go ahead and get some curls into the unit. I like the fro though. Well, let's go ahead and make some curls. I will be using water and possibly some Latte Body mousse to get the curls in, but the hairline is completely glueless. I didn't apply anything to the hairline. It is 100% glueless and I love it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Super pretty. I love these curls. They're so defined and I love how the unit just sits on my head, and it is completely glueless. I didn't have to apply any form of product to the hairline and it turned out super natural, super pretty. This is it. Overall, I love the unit 100%. Like, I had no problem whatsoever with this unit. It lays great without glue. The edges are just so pretty, and I feel like this is just necessary because some of us really want our edges to look like this on a wig, and the curls just turned out perfect. I love the unit. It is definitely a 10. It is 100% glueless, 100% beginner friendly, and I love it. This is it. I will be linking the information for this unit down below. Go ahead and check out my description box. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, if you'd wear it or not. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.